setting a new password after first restart. After the first restart, Windows will walk you through the initial setup. When you're asked to create a password, enter your new password, confirm your password, and that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more Windows tips, PC fixes, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or something didn't work for you, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.